हेलो।
सर
हाँ,
अपना माइक ऑन।
हो गया। कैन यू सी द न्यूमेरिकल?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is quite important that you understand this kind of numericals, because they can come in your competitive exams. Okay. So to begin with, read the question carefully, and then I'll start explaining. Okay, question is read.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have kept something ready. Okay. This is what you need. You want to generate a capacitance of 2 microfarad, and it will be able to bear up to 1000 volts. This is what you want. Now what you have is just one capacitor of 1 microfarad, not one but so many capacitor, so many, and each can withstand only 400 volt. You can combine them the way you want, but resultant capacitance should be this.
বাবা এই হোল্ডারটা দে না রে।
Upasna, welcome. Switch off your
यस
microphone.
सर, सॉरी सर।
I'm taking attendance, huh? Okay. Do you understand the question? Hello?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is given to you? Answer quickly.
We want resultant capacitance of 2 microfarad.
Yes. And it should be able to bear 1000 volt.
Yes.
But
And
what you are
have
given?
one UF capacitor which can withstand only 400 volt.
Okay, now forget about this part. मान लो ये नहीं दिया गया। Okay, ये part portion bother ही नहीं करना है। Then what would be your answer?
पैरेलल में लगा के
Yeah, parallel में लगा दो दोनों को. That's the answer. 1 microfarad.
1 micro, 2
1
micro.
microfarad. Right? So total answer is 2 microfarad, and it is done. Okay, my audio and video, is it now lagging?
Yeah, your audio is fine sir, but video is lacking.
To a greater extent or a
Select
smaller extent than previous?
Medium.
Okay, fine. Let's proceed. Now, can this be the answer of this question?
no.
No. So this will, of course, this will generate one capacitor of 2 microfarad, but each is having capacity of 400 volt. But if you connect this with 1000 volt, this will blast. So trick is here. This will make your task little different from this simple one which we are doing earlier. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you go for constructing 2 microfarad in an ordinary way, then their capacity is only 400 volt and you cannot connect it to 1000 volt. So what's the way out?
More number of capacitor.
Okay, so let there be m capacitor in series. इसमें कनेक्ट किया series. So it will look like this. First capacitor, second capacitor, and this nth capacitor.
रोज
Okay.
माइक बंद कर तो
Okay. And such in parallel. So we connect another one, similar type. ऐसे आगे बढ़ते जाओ. एक डॉटेड लाइन आएगा इधर. ये फर्स्ट है, this is second, and this is nth. Is it fine? Now
Yes,
इसका
sir.
suppose this is B.
सर आप अदिति को ऐड करो ना मीटिंग में.
Aditi is not in waiting. Only Maharshi was in
उसने
waiting.
मुझे अभी फोन किया कि सर को बोल कि मुझे ऐड करो.
Now she is saying.
ओके.
Okay. So there are m capacitors in series and such n combination in parallel. Then answer CAB should be 2 microfarad and it should be able to bear 1000 volt potential difference. Right? अच्छा, तो बेसिक पे आ जाओ. हमने ऐसा बहुत सारे लिए हैं ना.
1000 divided by
This 2,
400.
1. So this combination will be getting 1000 volt. Each gets 400 volt, 400 volt. So if I write 400 volt into m times, answer should be 1000 volt.
2.5.
So m equal to 2.5. So I need 2.5 capacitor in series. In series में
ऐसा
this is
कैसे?
2. This is not possible. Then one option is keep 2. If I keep 2, it will look like this.
ब्लास्ट हो जाएंगे.
And if I keep 3, then it will look like this. So इसका है 400, this also 400. Total will become 800 volt.
800.
Whereas in here it will become 1200 volt.
1200.
So out of these two, which one we should choose?
2. We should keep 2.
2. And then the moment you
पर
connect,
अरेंजमेंट बना सकते हैं ना वैसी.
first thing
सर
first.
3 चूज करना है ना.
3 चूज करना है, 2 चूज करना है.
3.
3.
Three.
Okay, one answer is 2. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन में ये है, it should be able to withstand 1000 volt.
प्रेयर कर सकते हैं.
Right? So 1000 से ज्यादा होगा, then only it will get blast. तो अभी right now, if you use this combination, which you are going to connect it to 1000 volt, this will start fuming. It will get damaged. But if you connect this to 1000 volt, तो उसका टोटल ये कॉम्बिनेशन है, its capacity is 1200 volt. And you are supplying just 1000 volt. So this is to be chosen. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस सर 1/3 हो जाएगा कैपेसिटेंस.
नहीं. तो अभी हम सीरीज में कितने रखेंगे? 3
3.
कैपेसिटर.
3 कैपेसिटर.
Each of 1 microfarad, right? So 1 let's say C dash कितना होगा? So 1 microfarad by 3,
3.
1/3 microfarad. अब ये सिंपल कॉम्बिनेशन ऐसा आ जाएगा, ये
तो
फर्स्ट,
ऐसी 3 रो लगानी
ये
पड़ेगी.
सेकंड, ये थर्ड, और ऐसे ही nth, सॉरी ये nth, थर्ड, सेकंड एंड 1. ईच इज 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. आंसर कितना आना चाहिए? दिस इज B and this is A.
तो
What you
M
need? CAB should be
M6 रो
equal
आ
to
गई.
2 microfarad. So n times 1/3 equal to 2 microfarad.
2. तो 6.
So
2
n
3
equal to 6. So parallel links 6. Okay. So how the diagram would look like? A first link. This is second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. ये 3 in series and such 6 in parallel. So total capacitor कितना यूज होगा?
2 microfarad.
टोटल कैपेसिटर कितना यूज है? 6 into 3. कितने
18.
कैपेसिटर यू विल नीड? 18 कैपेसिटर्स. फिर ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन बनेगा, इसका नेट कैपेसिटेंस वुड बी 2 माइक्रोफैराड, और उसका पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कैपेसिटी एक्चुअली इट इज 1200 वोल्ट, सो इट कैन इजीली विथस्टैंड 1000. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Yes.
सर एक मिनट ऊपर लीजिए. सर हमने 3 सीरीज में लिए, मतलब ऐसा ही कर दिया ना कि
ये 3 सीरीज में है, करेक्ट. तो ईच कॉम्बिनेशन का वैल्यू आया 1/3. सो 1/3 1/3 कितने
One.
करेंगे कि आंसर 2 हो जाए? 6. पता चला?
ओके सर. हाँ सर, थैंक यू.
इसका दिखा है कि लेट देयर बी, मैंने m लिया था, इधर n लिया है, m into n equal to 1000 volt. There is a mistake. Possible arrangement of n capacitor, each of 1 microfarad, in n capacitors in series and m in parallel. So total capacitor कितने होंगे? m into n. It should work on 1000 volt. Then you go through this solution, most probably you will be able to follow. Take help of the video if need be. Okay. Okay. Let's go further. What is the area of 2 farad capacitor?
कुछ किलोमीटर में कुछ आ रहा है सर इसका.
हाँ, आपने हमने
किलोमीटर
theory में भी-
स्क्वायर.
12 किलोमीटर 1 फैराड का 6
हाँ,
किलोमीटर
correct.
कुछ आसपास
कुछ
है.
12 किलोमीटर आ रहा था, 11 or 12 kilometer. If you want to have 1 farad parallel plate capacitor, you need to have plates as big as 12 kilometer in length, 12 kilometer in breadth. Thus it was not possible. So same thing is repeated, but here there is only one difference. The separation between the plate is 0.5. 2 farad capacitance you want, and you have to reflect that such kind of capacitors are not possible. Okay. Now this page is not scanned properly, but you can easily follow. Small d is the gap between the plates, 0.5 centimeter. converted into meter. We want capacitance value to be 2 farad. Use this value C equal to epsilon 0 A by D. Make area subject. Put the value of C as 2. D is the separation 2 into minus 3, 5 into minus 3 meter. Epsilon 0 value is 8.85 10 to minus 12. Answer is 1.13 10 to 3 kilometers square. That means 1130 kilometers square. Now this big area is not possible. Okay.
3.6 meter plan.
No. It is kilometer square. What is root of 1130? Count it.
33.6.
Right, so 33 kilometer by 33 kilometer. That's not possible. Now look at this. Read the question carefully.
Six point six six.
Okay, now. Jagir, you are late today? What do you have to find?
Charge and voltage across the capacitor when we supply 300 volts.
Okay. So one is 100 PF, two are of 200 PF,
Capacitance
and the bottom C4 is again 100 PF. Okay. Now can I simplify this diagram? Look at this. C1, C2, C3, C4. Now for sake of clarity, ये जो B वाला लाइन है ना, इसको मैं रब कर दूं यहाँ से, और इसको मैं यहाँ लगा दूं, तो चले, ये है B, C4, 100 PF. Is it fine? ये यहाँ का जो था उसको खोल के यहाँ लेके आए.
हाँ, चलेगा.
चलेगा ना?
चलेगा.
ऐसे जो A है इसको मैं इधर ले लूं, वो भी चलेगा.
हाँ.
तो अभी ये जो फाइनल डायग्राम जो आएगा, ये कुछ ऐसा आएगा.
कैसे ले लिया? वो डी के साथ सीरीज में नहीं होगा लाइन डी?
ये जो C4 की बात कर रहे हो तुम?
हाँ.
ये जो C4 इधर था, राइट?
तो डी के साथ मतलब डी से
ये
लाइन
जो प्लेट था, ये प्लेट अभी ध्यान से देखो, इवन प्लेट नंबर है X and this plate number Y. So this X plate is here. Now these all are copper wires, conducting wires, everywhere potential remains the same. So if I connect it here, here or here, it doesn't make any difference. Got it? ये
Yes.
दूसरा, ये जो Y जो था वो B के साथ था, तो ये Y is still with B. So technically it is perfectly okay.
Equivalent capacitance 66.66 आया.
Okay. इसको यहाँ A, this is B, this is C1, which was 100 PF. ये कितना लिखूं? Let's say it is C
100.
dash. It equal to
100.
series of C2 and C3 equal to 200 by 2 equal to
2.
100 pf. So ये आ गया 100 pf. This was C4. This was also 100 pf. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. अब ये हो गया C4 100 pf. इसका रिजल्टेंट क्या होगा अभी?
200 pf.
Let's say this is C double dash 200 pf. So 1 by C AB equal to 1 by C4 plus 1 by
Plus
C
1
double
by
dash
C
C
double
double dash.
100 plus 200
200 plus 100 by
this is 2 plus 1 3 by 200.
1.
Therefore CB equal to 200 by 3 pf.
3.
C CAB. ये अपना फर्स्ट आंसर हो गया. टोटल कैपेसिटेंस कितना आएगा बिटवीन ए एंड बी? 200 by 3 pf.
200 by 3.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अभी थोड़ा और ध्यान देना. तो हमारे पास ये था ओरिजिनल डायग्राम. ओके. ये ए और बी के बीच कितना वोल्टेज दिया था?
300.
300 वोल्ट. ठीक है. यहाँ पे मान लो ये था C4 राइट. ये था
Yes.
C1, दिस इज C2 एंड दिस इज C3. यहाँ का वोल्टेज मान लो V4. ये वोल्टेज मान लो V1. ओके. Shall I write V4 plus V1 equal to 300?
Yes.
Okay. By the way, equation में आपको total 3 things are asked. One is total capacitance that we already have derived. What was that total capacitance?
200 by 3.
By 3 pf. Another thing was asked voltage across each. Means we have to find what is V1, V2, V3, V4, Q1, Q2 and so on. Okay, so we have to get 8 answers now. 4 voltages and 4 charges. Okay, we'll leave it aside. You know C equal to Q by V.
Yes.
Yes.
CAB
Yes.
equal to Q by VAB. Therefore Q equal
ये भी
to
तो
CAB into VAB. So this was 200 by 3. PF था ना?
yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
So
तो
into 10
multiply
raised
by
to
कर
minus
10
12.
raised to minus 12.
And voltage था 300.
300 volt.
So ये आएगा 100. So ये आएगा 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So shall I believe that the diagram is also required. ये जो है this combination I'm using pencil. इसका वैल्यू C डबल डैश लिखा था हमने. याद है?
Yes, sir.
C डबल डैश था और C4. ये कॉम्बिनेशन कैसा है? सीरीज के पैरेलल.
C.
C4 and C double dash are in series.
Okay.
So shall I write that Q4 equal to कितना आएगा? 2 into 10 raised to minus 8.
9.
Minus 18.
Okay.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Okay. Now V4 will be equal to Q4 by C4. Shall I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Q4 already we have 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 and C4 कितना था 100 pf. So 100 into 10 raised to minus 12. आंसर कितना आएगा? This is minus 10, 200 वोल्ट आएगा.
तो 200 आ गया.
तो ये फर्स्ट आंसर आ गया V4 और इधर Q4 भी आ गया. देखो वी विल नीड टोटल 8 बॉक्सेस. दिस इज फर्स्ट बॉक्स, सेकंड बॉक्स. ओके, अगर V4 आ गया, कैन यू फाइंड V1?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
100 volt.
Now V4 plus V1 equal to 300.
800.
Therefore V1 equal to 300 minus
100.
200. Therefore V1 equal to 100
volt.
ये आ गया V1 का आंसर. ओके, तो अभी बाकी कितना रहा? वोल्टेज, जहाँ तक वोल्टेज का कंसर्न है, तो ये V4 आ गया, V1 आ गया. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट?
C1,
V2
C2,
and
C3.
V3. Shall I add it here?
Yes.
This is V2 and this is V3.
Yes.
Yes.
Here I add one point from diagram. V1 equal to V2 plus V3,
Yes.
Yes.
right? V1 is 100. Now see, ये V2 का वैल्यू है वो 200 pf था, C3
Yes.
भी था 200 pf.
Hmm.
दोनों का वैल्यू सेम है. बोथ ऑफ देम आर इन सीरीज, तो वोल्टेज डेवलप भी सेम ही होगा. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? इधर 100 वोल्टेज था तो इधर आएगा 50, इधर भी आएगा 50. व्हाई? बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम आर इन सीरीज. ठीक है, थोड़ा एक बार देख लो.
सर
हाँ,
CAB is equal to Q by VAB. तो ये तो चार्ज अक्रॉस 2 पॉइंट
Total.
AB के बीच में आया है ना.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो
ओके, आई विल कम टू दैट पॉइंट. ये
तो
जो
फिर हमने
है
C4 के लिए ले
C4 के लिए क्यों लिया, राइट? जबकि ये तो टोटल चार्ज सप्लाइड था. तो यहाँ पे मान लो ये
हाँ.
300 वोल्ट का बैटरी है, उसने जितना भी चार्ज भेजा वो कहाँ पे सर्कुलेट होगा? जितना C4 पे होगा उतना ही सीरीज में. जहाँ पर भी हमने एक सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन का प्रॉपर्टी, आई वाज
हाँ.
मेकिंग इट इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. इन सीरीज एवरीवेयर चार्ज इज सेम. तो जितना इधर से
Yes.
इतना आया उतना इधर से इधर ट्रांसफर हुआ. तो एवरीवेयर इन द सर्किट चार्ज वैल्यू इज सेम.
तो सर मतलब C4 पे आधा नहीं होगा? मतलब 300 वोल्ट है तो चार्ज सप्लाइड C4 और ये C डैश डबल डैश पे सेम होगा. तो फिर C4 के लिए
हाँ हाँ, आई गॉट योर पॉइंट. अभी उसको है ना हम डिस्कस करते हैं एट द एंड ऑफ दिस. सो लिंक टूट जाएगा, बट इफ आई फॉरगेट यू डू रिमाइंड मी कि ये इधर
Yes, sir.
पे आधा आधा होगा कि इक्वली शेयर होगा. ठीक है, हम एक एग्जांपल से समझेंगे इसको. तो पॉइंट ये था हमारा लास्ट में कि C2 और C3 में वोल्टेज इक्वल होगा और कुल मिला के द वोल्टेज विल बिकम 100. तो दिस वोल्टेज इज 100, so voltage across C2 would be 50 and across C3 also it should be 50. ये यहाँ पे तो shall I write equal to V2 plus V2. Why? Because V3 equal to V2. So 2V2 equal to 100. Therefore V2 equal to 50 volt and V3 is also 50 volt. तो चारों वोल्टेज मिल गए. V4, V1, V2 एंड V3. क्या बाकी रहा?
Charge.
चार्ज बाकी
चार्ज
रहा.
बाकी रहे.
एक Q4 तो हमको ऑलरेडी पहले ही शुरू में ही मिल गया था, राइट? इफ यू
हाँ
नो
Yes.
V1, you know Q1 equal to C1 V1.
Yes.
यस सर
C1 कितना था? 100 pm, 100 into 10 raised to minus 12, एंड वोल्टेज कितना था इसके क्रॉस? 100. आंसर आएगा 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 कूलम.
-6 -8 हाँ
ठीक है. अच्छा, V2 के लिए क्या आंसर आएगा? बोले Q2 इक्वल टू C2 V2.
C2 V2
C2 था 200 pm, so into 10 raised to minus 12, एंड वोल्टेज हमने कितना मिला? 50. तो इसका
50
आंसर भी
वोल्ट
आएगा 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 कूलम.
-9
5 to the 10 होगा ना, so 3, so minus 9,
हाँ
right? एंड सेम वे Q3 वैल्यू आएगा 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 कूलम. So this is Q3, this is Q2. टोटल 8 आंसर आ गया. ये Q1 का था. 8 बॉक्सेस बन गए, 4
हाँ
बॉक्सेस फॉर चार्जेस एंड 4 बॉक्सेस फॉर वोल्टेजेस, टोटल 8. ठीक है. All of you look at the solution. I'm keeping the top part first, and slowly I'll be sliding it upward. Once you finish reading, you tell me, I'll slide it up.
The nature.
डन
Okay.
Sir, do we have to rejoin?
Yeah. We have to read. If connection is broken, I'll be back. Okay, in 5 minutes. So you stay focused, stay tuned.
सर ये V4 प्लस V1 300 कैसे? V1 नहीं, वो पूरा होगा ना, मतलब जो सीरीज में बाकी C डबल डैश वाला जो पूरा है वो होगा ना, इज इक्वल टू 300.
नहीं होगा, क्योंकि
और
देखो
वो तो सी
ये सिर्फ अकेला नहीं है, इसके साथ C4 भी है. So 300 volt will be shared amongst one part here, remaining part here. तो ये जो पार्ट हमको मिला था बाय कैलकुलेशन वाज 200 वोल्ट.
अच्छा ओके होगा. नहीं मतलब V1 आपने वो नीचे वाला लिया है ना.
हाँ, V1 प्लस इट इज V1. ये ऊपर है, ये मान लो इसको मैं यहाँ ना लिख के ऊपर लिखूं, राइट? तो ये हो गया V2
हाँ
और ये हो गया V3. अब दोनों के वोल्टेज का मैं सम करूँ, सो दैट विल बी द सेम, बिकॉज दीज आर कंडक्टिंग वायर.
हाँ
C2 C3 अक्रॉस जितना भी पोटेंशियल है, सो विल राइट इट इज V2 प्लस V3. क्या हुआ? आओ दिखा देते हैं उनको मिला के। Okay, are we back?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये क्लियर हो गया आपका सॉल्यूशन, how you will find 4 voltages and 4 charges. Now there was Darshan's question. ठीक है, Darshan, are you there? Has he joined?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. मान लो एक बैटरी है, ये है C1 and this is C2, both are different value capacitor. Okay. अभी उसका टोटल कैपेसिटी आया, लेट्स से C A B, तो इसका इक्विवेलेंट डायग्राम वुड लुक लाइक दिस. This is CAB. Now imagine this has transferred 10 coulomb charge. So यहाँ कितना आएगा? 10 coulomb प्लस यहाँ कितना आएगा? यहाँ से शिफ्ट हो जाएगा -10 coulomb. यहाँ पे कितना चार्ज होगा? +10 coulomb. सामने की प्लेट पे -10 coulomb. तो दोनों कैपेसिटर पे कितना चार्ज आया? 10 coulomb ही.
10.
ये तो एक्सचेंज है, कोई चार्ज 10 10 10 20 ऐसा नहीं करते. जितना चार्ज इधर से गया, सेम एवरीवेयर इट वाज पासिंग. आर यू गेटिंग इट? क्योंकि
Yes,
सीरीज
sir.
में है इसलिए. मान लो यही चीज पैरेलल में होती तो दिस इज द बैटरी.
क्या ये था?
ये हो गया पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. ये मान लो C1 ये भी C है और ये भी C है, फॉर कन्वीनियंस थिंक इट लाइक दैट. ये V वोल्ट बैटरी है, दोनों का सेम चार्ज सेम कैपेसिटेंस है, तो यहाँ पे 10 कूलम आया, यहाँ पे 10 कूलम, तो बैटरी ने कितना सप्लाई किया होगा? 20. क्योंकि अलग अलग पाथ है. 10 कूलम इज यूटिलाइज्ड टू चार्ज दिस कैपेसिटर. Had it been alone, this capacitor, it would have used only 10 coulomb. Had it been this, then also 10 coulomb. When both are there, it will use. ये दिमाग में रखना है, ठीक है?
सर वो पहले जो हमने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया उसमें हमने V2 और V3 सेम किया, वो फिर समझ में आया.
वो
तो
क्यों नहीं?
वापस-
हाँ अच्छा, ये C2 और C3 का वोल्टेज था V2 and V3 and both we considered same. ऐसा क्यों? Because C2 का कैपेसिटेंस है 200, C3 is also 200 pm. Both are in series. तो अगर कैपेसिटेंस वैल्यू इज सेम, then voltage developed across is also same.
Okay.
Had these values been different, then this step will not be in a position to write V2 plus V2. ये किया ना? क्योंकि
Yes.
V2 and V3 were same, तो ये सेम नहीं रहते. Then when we would have phase problem. Okay. तो ये
Okay,
जो
sir.
C2 C3 का वैल्यू सेम दिया था with that intention कि आपको परेशानी ना हो. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
ये when you solve नो, मैंने यहाँ पर देखो इस साइड में वोल्टेज से सॉल्व किया है, दूसरी साइड में चार्ज वैल्यू सॉल्व किया है. So if you face any problem, I'll post this video on YouTube. Look at that. Now question 2.26. This is relatively simple. Okay, what type of capacitor it is?
पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर
इसका मतलब है कि ये फॉर्मूला हमने जो डिराइव किया था कौन सा, which we can
हाफ
use
CV स्क्वायर
C equal to epsilon 0 A by D, कैपेसिटेंस का फॉर्मूला
Okay.
काम करेगा. उसके लिए एरिया चाहिए, तो एरिया इज गिवन, बट बी केयरफुल, दिस एरिया इज इन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, you have to convert it into meter square. Okay, separated by 2.5 mm, so it means it is small d. See here, d is 2.5 mm converted into meter, and here area is converted into meter square. Now this capacitor is charged by connecting it to a 400 volt supply. Okay, उसका डायग्राम कैसा होगा? Can you draw and show, all of you? Draw the simple diagram. Maybe this is the simplest diagram in the chapter. And show it to me. You can switch on your camera and put your book in front of it. Come on. हे भगवान, ये सेकंड चैप्टर इज अबाउट टू गेट ओवर. एक बैटरी और एक कैपेसिटर, दैट्स इट. इसका सी दिया गया है, वी है, ए इज नोन, डी इज नोन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज यू हैव टू फाइंड, फॉर्मूला इज हाफ सी वी स्क्वायर. Are you given value of capacitance?
Yes, sir.
It is epsilon 0 A by D we can use into V square. Put down values and that will be the answer. Say it.
सर आप ये वीडियो रखना,
हाँ ठीक है.
दूसरा वाला.
Okay, this is fine.
Yes.
Okay. Question is second is view this energy as stored in the electrostatic field between the plates. Now this is a learning point. If I ask you a question, how energy is stored between the plates in a capacitor, what will be your answer? In which form energy is stored in a capacitor? Answer is this electrostatic field. Because when capacitor is not charged, electric field is not there. Once the capacitor is charged, it develops electric field. Okay. You have to obtain energy per unit volume. In short, energy density. Do you remember what was energy density formula? कुछ याद? हाफ एप्सिलॉन 0 ई स्क्वायर, ऐसा कुछ शास्त्रों में पढ़ा है? Okay. Look here.
Yes, sir.
Energy density equal to energy by volume equal to U by A into D. Now this answer is already U. Area and D both are given. Just divide, multiply, that's the answer. Here answer will be in terms of joule, and this will be joule per meter cube because it is energy density. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today, how do you find this notebook video? Is it still
It was
lagging?
lagging, sir.
It
Yes,
was
sir.
lagging.
No, sir, it is
Yeah.
still lagging.
Now, I wanted the last one. This day before yesterday when we met on Monday, it was lagging. I could see it on my screen also. But is it lagging the same way or different way? Hello?
It is, sir, lagging, but not that way. That
Okay.
was on Monday.
Okay, fine. Now let us see how it goes. Energy density part is over. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. This is very blurred. If you are using mobile, you may not be able to. 4 microfarad capacitor is charged with 200 volt supply. So what is value of capacitor?
Two,
4 microfarad. And battery voltage?
200.
200 volt. Okay. So then it would look like this. See, 200 volt supply connected to 4 microfarad. Okay. What next? It is then disconnected from the supply. So then how it would look another way. It is disconnected. Okay. Now capacitor was charged. Though it is disconnected, charge will remain on the plates of capacitor. Okay. Then what is done? It is connected to another charged capacitor of how many farad?
Uncharged capacitor.
Uncharged,
2 microfarad.
2 microfarad. Okay. Then it would look like this. 4 microfarad connected to 2 microfarad. So some of the charge would remain here and some of the charge comes here. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay. What is question? How much electrostatic energy of the first capacitor is lost in the form of heat and radiation? So what you have to find is energy
Energy.
lost by C1. Okay. So can we find what was the energy stored here using the formula half CV square? I'll use O for original. Half
Yes.
4 into 10 raised to minus 6 and voltage is 200 square. So this is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 to 10 raised to minus 2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Joule.
Joule. Yeah, correct. Okay. Now here is the problem is here. Now do we know voltage here? Can I use this formula? Let's say this is U0, this is U1 and this is U2. Now if I want to find U1, which formula I can use?
Q square by 2C.
Q square by 2C. Okay. So I'll write Q1 square by 2C. But do I know Q1? Okay. So this can be solved in a variety of ways. This is long way out. Okay. What will be the total capacitance? Look here now. Can you find Q original here? Shall I write it equal to C0 into V?
Yes.
What's the C1 into V? It is 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad. Voltage was 200. So it
100.
was 8 into 10 raised to minus 4 coulomb. Agreed? So this much charge was stored on this. And this much energy was stored in it. Now we are facing one problem here. In this new combination, we can use this formula provided we know Q1 and U2 we can find provided we know Q2. We don't know Q1 nor Q2 and we are stuck. Can we find Q1 and Q2? As I'm writing the hint as combination is parallel. Now is video lagging now?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा है वो चलता है मतलब माइन्यूट ही है.
Okay. So in that case Q0 equal to Q1 plus Q2. Can I write?
Yes.
Okay. We also know C equal to Q by V. As they are in parallel, as combination is in parallel, V is same for both. So C is proportional to Q. Or can that Q1 by Q2 equal to C1 by C2? Okay. I can, if I take
Yes.
component of Q1 plus Q2 upon Q2 equal to C1 plus C2 upon C2. But what is Q1 plus Q2? Say Q0,
Yes.
which is already known to us. Okay. So Q1 plus Q2 is known. C1 and C2 both are known. We can find Q2. अगर Q2 मिल गया तो Q1 भी मिल जाएगा. Are you following
Yes.
logic? So in this formula, which was Q1 plus Q2 upon Q2 equal to C1 plus C2 upon C2, I can write Q0 upon Q2 equal to C1 plus C2 upon C2. So Q2 equal to C2 upon C1 plus C2 into Q0. C2 कितना था? 2. C1 था 4 plus 2 and Q0 था 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 minus 4. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is 2 by 6 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So it is 4 by 6 10 raised to minus. So 2 by 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Right? So it is 0.666. What will be Q1? Shall I write Q0 minus Q2? ये था 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 minus 2 by 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. 2 minus 2 by 3 to 10 raised to minus 4. So 6 minus 2, 4 by 3 to 10 raised to minus 4. Fine, sir?
Yes, sir.
So we found Q2 and we found Q1. Now we can find U2 equal to Q2 square by 2C1. Sorry, yeah, 2C2. तो ये आएगा 2 by 3 10 raised to minus 4 square divided by 2 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Same way here, u1 equal to q1 square by 2c1. So 4 by 3, 10 raised to minus 4 square by 2 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 6. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर पर U1 तो निकाला था ना हमने।
u0 निकाला था हमने, यहाँ पे जो निकाला था शुरू में
ओके।
ये था u0, वो था 8, ये शुरू का था 8, राइट। और अभी कितना आंसर आएगा, डिफरेंट आंसर आएगा। Okay, what you have to find is the loss of energy. Still answer has not come. शुरू में था 8, and after combination you will get the sum 5.3. 8 minus 5.3 करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 2.7. This much energy is lost. Okay, in this they have solved with different perspective, but you will get same answer. Okay, understand this. After the combination, which combination, series or parallel? Parallel. Of which two? 4 and 2. So total effective combination कितना होगा? How many farads? When 4 and 2 are in parallel combination, what is net capacitance?
8.
6, right? So common potential is Q by C. Q is found, C is 6 farad, 6 microfarad. Answer is 133 volt. So common voltage जो आएगा वो है 133. Now U1 equal to half CV square. Half, first capacitor is 4 microfarad and this is voltage square. Answer is 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. And after the combination, potential is U2 equal to half CV2 square. Capacitance value कितना हो गया? 6. This combination of both the capacitor together and now voltage हो गया तो 133. इसका वैल्यू फाइंड करा तो ये आंसर है 5.3. तो शुरू में एनर्जी था 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 जूल, फिर आंसर आया 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 2. Difference is the loss of energy. And in which form it is lost? Heat and electromagnetic radiation. Is it clear? Hello? Okay, shall we complete here? Because now I've got some.
Yes.
Okay, so 2.28 take it as homework. Okay?
Okay,
And all this question in homework, whatever we did today. Fine, Jay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay.
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था मेरा।
So I'll be putting video, not to worry. Okay? And if you have any query, then let me know. Still, we have got some time. Sure. Okay. Shall I
हाँ,
leave? Doubt
ओके
है?
सर।
नहीं. Okay.
नहीं सर.
डाउट नहीं है।
हाँ.
सर
Okay.
मतलब बाकी सारे टीचर गीता मैम जैसा नहीं करेंगे लिंक पे भी?
नहीं करेंगे. I had a word with meeting with sir on Monday, and I had elaborate discussion. Then I taught on YouTube. I taught the students, teachers, how to create a Google Class and how to post the assignments. And Zoom was to be taught. Then Hitesh sir told that he'll be teaching them. So yesterday I went to hospital and Hitesh sir he'll be teaching Zoom. So I don't know about other teachers, but if they'll not start teaching, then I'll ask sir, because sir also believes that now we should give up these PDF files and ready-made YouTube videos. Okay, so hopefully things will go better. For English it's okay, but for other
हाँ वो
subjects,
चलते हैं।
English
फिर से
medium,
करवाएंगे ना मतलब?
that I doubt. Okay, but now in coming days, for maths, chemistry, and biology. Biology, Sagita madam she sat with me for a long time, and she understood how Zoom can be operated. So hopefully, in biology they'll be getting some change. Okay. Now, maths and chemistry, I'm not so much sure, but let's hope for better. Okay.
वो रेशमा मैम नहीं पढ़ाएंगे फिर से वही वैसे है।
तो पूरा पूरा नहीं पढ़ा तो आप ऐसा डाउट बोल सकते हो कि हार्ड स्पॉट्स है, इतना ही कवर करवा दो, बाकी हम कर लेंगे, ऐसा बोल सकते हो ना, कि पूरा का पूरा मत पढ़ाओ। ठीक है, और बाकी आगे जो पढ़ा रहे हैं वो ऐसा लाइव प्लेटफॉर्म पे पढ़ाए, इन वेबएक्स, जूम और मीट। ओके,
हाँ
ओके सर,
तो
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।